loving this. What is up with me?
Welcome back, guys. Back down in Wales today. Oh, a bit blurry. 6 hours. 6 hours it's just taken to get down here, but it's definitely worth it. I am meeting up with Gez, Boys in the Wood, and some other YouTubers. And look who we've got in background there.
Yes, sir, Pussycat.
Mr. Pussycat himself. So we've got a full weekend. We're down at the big build, or the little build actually, tonight. And then there's going to be about 10 of us over on Sully Island tomorrow. So why not come along with us? Look at this beaut. Gez always comes with gifts. Makes you feel like an arsehole because then you don't get him anything. But I'll sort him out later. But anyway, look, we're here at last. Well worth the 6 hour drive down. We've already had a beer. Everyone's set up and we're having a good chilled out time, to be honest. But I'm going to take you out camp. So yeah, as I said before, it's going to be a great weekend. There's just the 4 of us tonight. Bit of a warm up for tomorrow night. We're at Gez's little build, and then tomorrow we're on Sully Island. There's about 10 of us, some different YouTubers, some people that don't YouTube, but all wild campers. So let's take you for a little walk around, shall we? It's a super secret location, but we've got Gez here in his trusted Helm 1. Look at that, baby. I'm pitched over here in my Solo just because it was quick and easy to get pitched. I bought multiple tents with me, which Gez has already taken the piss out of me for. And then we've got Adam from Adam in Wild in his hammock. They're just sorting something else with his hammock. I'm not getting involved in that. We've got Dar. He's
as well.
It's all going off over here.
What's happening?
You have you?
Live on YouTube.
What's that? Live?
Live on YouTube. Well, live in about 2 weeks.
Oh, right. Okay.
What's going down? What's happening?
We're in sunny Wales and...
No, I meant with this. I've done that bit. They know where we are.
Okay, well, okay. Speed it up then is what you're saying. We're just going to tie this rope off to the trees because currently he's collecting a reservoir. He's stealing Welsh water.
Well, he's not brought water with him.
Yeah,
okay.
actually, I could do with that.
That's what I'm thinking. So, Dar's hammock camping 2. Something I really want to try, by the way. And I am going to be very soon. And then we've got the shelter. This is where it all goes down. Yeah, some firewood down there, bags, everyone's beer. We've got some. Look at that, sod you, Captain Morgan. We're on Dead Man Fingers today. I've also bought a bottle of Kraken just in case things get messy. So, other than that, we're going to sink some beers, cook some food later on. I'll bring you back as and when. Yeah, let's go. Wales, come on. Here he is, Mr. Boys in the Woods. How we doing, guys?
The star of everyone's show.
Yeah.
Everyone's show.
You're the main man.
It's a bit big-headed, isn't it?
Whose is the best channel on YouTube, Ad?
Boys in Wood, innit?
Definitely Boys in the Wood.
Yeah.
Oh, here's Darren.
How are we doing?
There he is.
Best non-YouTuber on YouTube.
Yeah, again, I
He
did
is.
say to Alan, his intro is epic.
Yeah,
Thank you.
I do like his intro.
yeah. I'm going to rip it off, I think. Do my own version of it.
I'm going to steal it.
You get credentials.
Don't you dare! Don't you dare!
What?
Hat.
Oh, hat. Yeah, I've already mentioned your hat earlier on over there. But yes, he's bought us all a hat so he gets some free promotion. Pretended it was a present, but it wasn't. So yeah, we're all just sat having a beer, got some music on.
Serious gadget.
What logo? Sorry, sorry. Logo must be in view at all times. It was part of the deal of accepting the hat that it must be in view of the camera at all times. So, yeah, we're just having a few beers. We'll cook some food in a bit. Gez on some burgers, I'm on burgers. I'm not sure what Darren's on. Darren's on some... What are you on food later, Daz? Darren?
I've got Spanish rations.
Sounds exotic.
Army rations. I don't know what's in here because I don't speak Spanish.
It could be.
Oh yeah.
So it could be sardines. It could be squid. I don't know.
Could literally be anything.
What are you on, ads?
Tonight,
Yeah.
pasta and mash tonight.
What are you on tomorrow?
Pasta and mash. And water.
Yes, there we go. Right, we're going to carry on drinking some beers and yeah, we'll talk to you in a bit.
Yeah, done.
No, don't be daft. There's music on this anyway.
I couldn't pick the camera up in time. Alan fell off his chair.
Oh, that got me that.
Nothing to see here.
No, I missed it, unfortunately. Oh, that was great.
You can't drink. There's nothing in there.
Oh, it's got mud on one side.
Oh, damn! Sorry, guys. I missed that.
You gotta know when to hold 'em, when to hold 'em, when to fold 'em, when to fold 'em, know when to walk away, know when to run. You never count your money when you're sitting at the table. Never counting when the deal is done. You gotta know when to hold 'em, when to hold 'em, know when to fold 'em, when to fold 'em. Know when to walk away, know when to run. You never count your money. You'll be sitting at the table. I'm out.
Oh, Adam having a wee on film. Morning, Adam.
Morning, love. Not much to see, yeah?
It's got a good zoom, mate. You all right? Good morning.
Good morning, dear. Thank you for finally joining us.
Oh, mate, you've only been up about 10 minutes, haven't you?
I've been awake since about 6:30, like, but I was.
Yeah.
By that point, you know, you just fucking need a fog, and then you're just lying down, your back's starting to ache.
Mate, I was
Way too
comfy as
fear,
fuck.
I heard you move like one big movement on your mattress. Thought that must be him getting up. So I got up and now I'm on you.
was
That was like 7. Quarter past 7.
Hey,
I woke up at 5:45 first.
Did you not hear me on floor?
No. Unless maybe it was you that fucking woke me up.
Literally, I sort of woke up mid-air as I was falling.
Oh, never.
Went down with a thump. I thought, I won't floor here. And I were a little bit tipsy still. Got a lot of contacts in my hands. Woke up, still tipsy. I thought, I hope there's another carabiner on here because I can't see.
Fuck's sake.
And there was.
Oh, happy
So that's why
days
I'm
then.
back in air again.
Look at that. Adapt and overcome.
Never happened.
Boys in wood. Oh, right, well, done absolutely no recording. Apologies, but a bit of a warm-up ready for today. We have just got up, all had a brew, coffee, everyone's on pack down. Adam's on pack down over there, Dar's over there. I'm pretty much done, just need to drop the tent. So, you know what, we're going to call it there and I'll bring you back on the island.